Come join me on my first foray into flower drying. Now this is a dahlia and it's one of many beautiful flowers I've had in my garden this year, and I wanted to dry them so that in the middle of the winter I can remember all the beautiful things that grew. So I bought this flower press off the internet, and you basically sandwich the flower between 2 sheets of paper, 2 sheets of cardboard and 2 planks of wood that you tighten up gradually over a few days and then leave for a few weeks. Now, a dahlia is a big, chunky flower, so I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out, but I was pretty pleased. It's gone a little bit brown in the middle, and the brownness is apparently caused by the flower drying slowly. With dahlias, you can actually pull a few petals out of the middle of the flower to help it dry a bit more quickly. Back in the early summer, I also dried cucumber flowers, borage, sweet peas, and calendula, and I thought, why not make a gorgeous arrangement? Now, as it turns out, flower arranging, more difficult than it looks. It definitely requires some skill and a little bit of practice, but it reminded me that I'd much rather give something a go and learn something by doing it than be so worried I'm going to get it wrong that I don't even try it in the first place. In fact, the whole point of giving something a go is it's the best way to learn how to do it better next time. Is this a masterpiece? Absolutely not. Is it going to remind me of my summer garden? Yes. If I keep doing it, will I get better? Yes, I will.